Hey, come help me clean up the board.
Wait, watch this. Watch this. I'm not jumping in. Look.
Very good. All right, do you want to learn how to fix the surfboard? Uh-huh. Solarez.
All right.
I'm doing a very basic job.
The cotton has to come off. Come on.
Yeah. I'll show you. Don't squeeze it. Wait up. Okay, so I'm just gonna... I'm doing a very quick job here. Quick and dirty, just because I want to get in the water. I just sealed that, but there's a bit of a part there. So I'm just gonna open it up a little bit, and then you're gonna squeeze in this stuff, okay? So, hold up. Leave it. Don't open it just yet. I just need my knife.
You have knife?
Yeah, man.
No, you can't have a plane. You can't have a plane. Both of them in catch you.
They're not catch me. Let me check it. So I just want to open it a little bit. Just so the resin can get inside. Just a little bit. Okay.
Open it.
Open it up.
Yeah.
No, not too much, just a little bit. But you see that hole? You want to squeeze it in there. Squeeze it. Yep. Mash it down. You good? No, not touch it. Not touch it. Okay, that's good. Perfect. So we got a little bit on there. So now it's dripping. Uh-oh. No. We got a bit of plastic. Let's try this again. I got a better idea. We'll do a bit of a better angle. So
Try this.
I'm gonna set it up like so. And I want you to come squeeze again, okay?
Yeah, card.
Yeah, that's my scraper card. So Rat, can you see how there's a hole in the top? Can you fill the hole there?
Yeah.
Here. Come on this side.
No, I can't stand.
Oh, you can stand there? Okay.
This one?
Yeah, see how there's like a hole in there? Squeeze it inside. There you go, dab it. Okay, now take it out. No, touch, don't touch.
I can touch.
No, man, this stuff is so sticky. Take it off your hand. Yeah. Really sticky.
What? I really think.
Is it sticky?
Yeah.
You're done. Is it okay?
Yeah.
It's okay? All right.
Good job.
That stuff will stick to you real quick. And then, Ratty, you know what you do?
Yeah.
You do a little bit of plastic. So we hold that. It's gonna take 5 minutes in the sun. 5 minutes and it's gonna dry up.
One.
The sun's kind of going down, so hopefully we have enough time. But
One. No.
and then we do the quick sand job. So
Two.
board shapers everywhere are cringing at this tail, but as you can see, this is my beater board. I left it.
Yes, sir.
It's good. This board's been through hell and back, and I'm gonna leave it here for future enjoyment. Yes, that's how you scrape the wax off. Exactly. So you do it in one long thing. Let me show you.
No,
You know.
No, man. Let go.
We'll get the other one for you. It'll be way easier. I'll show you how that works. Oh. You know what helps too? I'll show you.
Wait, no, man.
Ah, good job. So this one's pretty much ready for new wax.
You look here.
Good job. Sticky icky. No, don't touch it yet, man.
It's gone to 3. 3.
You gotta leave it 5 minutes. It takes 5 minutes to harden.
3.
You're quick to the
1.
jump.
Wait till it reaches 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 4. 4 retreats. 4 retreats.
I see another little Bart that could use it. Oh shit! Let's see. It hardened.
So what you doing?
So see how you left that open? It's hard already. Touch it.
What?
I forgot to tell you to close it. That dries so quick.
Wait, make I try.
No. It's hard. You gotta get it before. See, it totally hardened. Don't grab it.
Yes. Oh no.
Very quick.
Little trees.
A little bit of squeeze.
Oh, it 5 now. Oh, yeah.
Don't touch it.
It 5.
Not yet. That's a quick 5 minutes.
9.
9.
8. 7. 6. 5. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now it's been enough time. Now we can sand the tail. It's not sticky anymore. Now you can sand it, okay? So. No, not that, dude. Wait till I tell you. Okay, so come over here. Here.
Wait. Yeah.
Don't.
Walk on it.
Okay. I'm gonna finish. It's getting called by like 10 people. Okay, you ready? Yeah. So this is the rough side. You start with the rough side.
And then I start with the.
And then you do the other side after. So start with this side, and that's the part we just did. So you want to make it smooth. See how it's kind of sticking up?
That part?
Yeah. So you want to smooth all the way around. Give it a good sand. There you go. Very good.
Done.
Is it smooth?
Yes.
Let me feel. Pretty smooth, but it's still sticking out. It's kind of bumpy.
Wait.
You feel that?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, a little more.
Yeah. Yes.
A little better, yeah? Getting smoother. Can you do a little bit here too? Because I added a little extra. Pretty good. That side's done. That side I already got professionally done. It's very smooth. I'm just gonna do a little on the top. Okay. Okay. Good enough for now. He teaches me farming and I teach him very poor surfboard repair, but good trade anyway.